In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop automatic updates in Windows 11. This is actually a quick and simple tutorial, so let's get started. First, head over to the Start menu on your computer and search for Services. Then, click on the Services app to open it. Once the Services window opens, scroll down until you find a service called Windows Update. When you find it, double-click on it to open its properties. Here, you'll see the Startup Type option. Change it from Manual to Disabled, then click Apply. Next, go to the Recovery tab at the top. Under First Failure, change the option to Take No Action. Then click Apply and select OK. Now, double-click the Windows Update service again. You can see that the service is currently running, so click the Stop button. After that, click Apply and then OK once again. And that's it. Automatic updates have now been disabled on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.